We got us two boxes to open today, both from Fanatics. I'm supposed to have gotten this like 3 weeks ago, but you know what? We got it, and let's rip it. So first we got Chrome, and we just got us a Fanatics. What was that, blaster box? I think they're called. So we got a mega box and a blaster. I'm gonna make two videos, one for each, and so we'll see what we get here. So first I'm gonna start with the Fanatics blaster. We'll save the Chrome for last there. So we'll see what we get. All right. Who doesn't like to open packs? Here we go. Pack number uno. I love to see an autograph, a numbered card, a relic. What do we get in this thing here? First pack is... There's our rookies. Two rookies. Alright, so we got us a backwards shiny card. 8-bit baller. There's a Topps border. And that's all she wrote. Nothing really there. Hologram card, I guess. Rookie. Alright, we got a backwards Gafford. We got us a Clutch City Prospect Ace, which is pretty good. And we got us another backward Topps border Quentin Post. Not bad looking card. Kaminga. Clarkston. There we go. We got rookie on the top. Isaiah. Alright, we got us a backwards power player. Dylan Harper. Shiny. That's a good one. Mango. It's not numbered, my Dylan Harper. A nice one to get numbered right there. Nice pretty one. Igor. Rookie. What do we got here? So we got us a Cole Anthony. 8-bit baller. Topps. Alright. Squat. And that one. Come on, numbered card. Where you at here? So we got us an Ace Bailey. Alright. 3 rookies. Okay, we got us a Generation Now. That's a backwards. Ooh, this is the coolest card in the whole freaking thing. This one and that guy from the Lakers. I think that would be the best. That OG, get that one numbered of 101. I don't think that could be beat. Let's see here. Even if it was a flag, I think I would take that card over that one. Got us a Magic. The rookie. Last year's rookie, Scoot. Alright, so we got us a CJ McCollum, power player. We got us a Topps border. No golds so far. Yet to get a gold out of these fuckers. All right. Iverson. All right, we got a backwards. Dylan Harper, what can you be? Rookie. And this looks like a special one. It looks like it's off-centered, though. I don't know. Knipple, he's out, but he's still a good one. We got us a Chet border. Come on, number card, where you at? We got us a rookie. Come on, baby. All right, generation now. We got us a backwards tops border. Last pack. Oh, last one. We got a Cooper flag base. Derek McQueen. We got 4 rookies on that one. That's a pretty good haul there. My boy Cooper. So this is a good sign. Not a good sign. Tyrese Proctor is a rookie. A Victor 8-ball. And Timberwolves tops border. And that's all she wrote, boys and girls. So we got us a good hit. We got us a Proctor, a Dylan Harper hologram, and a Dylan Harper hologram. Power players. And a Cooper and an Ace base. Let's see what we get on our Chrome.